Hi and welcome back to another private pilot vlog. Hope you're all well. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please click on the link below. Today we're doing something very special. I haven't flown for a couple of weeks, but today you'll get to meet my good friend of mine, Charlotte, who I met a couple of years ago at her school. She's 19, but she's never been in a small aircraft before, and yeah, I'm really excited to take her and her dad up, so let's go.
Welcome information, Golf Bravo Alpha Hotel Foxtrot.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, well-formed information. Good afternoon, readability 5, pass your message.
Good afternoon, we're just parked opposite take flight, 3 people aboard for a local flight to the west. Request the airfield information and taxi.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, taxi to holding point Alpha for 18 right hand, the QNH 1022.
Taxi to Alpha for 18 right hand 1022, Golf Hotel Foxtrot.
Yeah, sorry it's really hot in here at the moment, but it'll be better when we get in the air. So this is a windsock there. It shows us how much wind there is, and it's just pointing down, so there's no wind at all really.
Hey, Golf Hotel Foxtrot, holding Alpha, ready for departure.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, runway 18, take off at your discretion. The surface wind is 220 at 5.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot.
Okay, so everyone ready?
And
yeah?
left hand turn out.
So it's going to line up first of all. I'm going to send you a video of all this, so you don't need to worry about videoing it all. Okay, so this is the runway. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay. Let's go fly. Oh.
Cockpit Alpha, ready for departure.
Golf Echo Oscar, report lined up, runway 18.
Report.
Okay, here we go. You okay? Oh.
And Golf Echo Oscar, runway 18, take off at your discretion. The surface wind is 2207 knots.
Taking off, we'll have a left turn after departure. Golf Echo Oscar.
Golf Echo Oscar, left hand turn out also at your discretion. Nothing currently known to affect.
Turning the aircraft ahead, we're visual with them, Golf Hotel Oscar.
Okay, just heading towards Stratford now. It's pretty smooth, right? So at the moment, this is how high we are, so it says we're 1,300 feet. So you can see that we're staying below the clouds here. I'm not allowed to go above the clouds, I have to fly under them, you see. I'll get you to have a little play, hold on this in a minute, or we get a little bit further out. So hot, isn't it? But you can see all the fields are really, like, all the grass is gone. I don't know about your grass, but it's pretty dodgy in my garden at the moment. So we've gone a little bit higher now, just maybe 2,000 feet. I think your mum would fancy this. No.
So Charlotte took control of the aircraft for a few seconds to feel how easy it is to manoeuvre. It was only when she landed that her dad explained she was actually in control, under my supervision of course. It was time to turn back towards Wellesbourne and land back on runway 18, which we'd taken off on earlier. It was my absolute pleasure to take my good friend Charlotte flying, and Charlotte, if you see this, I hope we can get you up again soon. Thank you for watching this video if you got this far. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and there'll be another vlog coming very soon. There we go.